Hi guys, Hosebo. Most of you are not from Singapore and this is a Singaporean way of greeting you. In this video, you will discover when will Alibaba stock finally explode and whether it is an opportunity for us to buy more right now. Based on the recent price chart, Alibaba stock price broke my support line, which is around $220. This is a sign that Alibaba stock price may drop even further in the short term. What? Moreover, recently my short-term moving average line have cut the long-term moving average line. This also indicates that the stock price may continue to drop in the short term as it is moving towards downtrend. Personally, I do own Alibaba stocks and I believe that the business will continue to grow. I will definitely not sell a single stock of Alibaba, and at the same time, I will not add on more Alibaba stock as of now because the stock price is clearly in a downtrend situation. If I enter right now, it is like catching a falling knife. Of course, this is not guaranteed, but the intersection of two moving average lines and the breaking of my strong support line indicates that Alibaba stock price may drop even further in the short run. This is definitely not wholesale at all, which means not a good sign for the short term. However, if I do not have any Alibaba stock on hand right now, I will consider entering a small position in Alibaba now and continue to accumulate more Alibaba stock when the trend changes direction. Some of you have been asking me, when will Alibaba stock explode? Let me share with you the exact date. Do write it down, yeah? It will be on this exact date, 9th of March to... Guys, I'm just kidding. Nobody can consistently predict the exact stock price of any stock. If you really wrote down 9th of March, it is okay. It is my birthday. What? You can take note of it and wish me happy birthday next year.
Happy birthday to you.
We have to remember that the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient, as mentioned by Warren Buffett. To share with you some context of what I meant by patient, in 2020, I bought Facebook stock when the stock price was undervalued. And after one whole year, I have an unrealized profit of around 63%. In 2020 as well, I bought OCBC Bank, which is a stock listed in my home country. I made an unrealized profit of around 51%, excluding all the dividends I received. And in 2019, I bought HKEX, which is listed in Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Although I bought it when it was undervalued, the stock price continued to drop, which is perfectly normal. I owned this stock for around 1.5 years, and I sold the stock as it was overvalued. I made a profit of more than 100% in this particular stock. You have to understand that a business takes time to grow. We as investors just need to buy into good business at a sensible price. Next, we just sit back and relax to allow time to do its magic for us. While waiting for Alibaba stock to explode, click on the like button below so that our Alibaba stock price will go to the moon with us. I'm serious. Have you clicked on the like button below? Anyway, for the fun of it, I looked into the price history of Alibaba and I realized that Alibaba's first stock price downtrend was around late 2014 when it just got listed in the US stock exchange. Alibaba's stock price declined for 14 months before it went up all the way. Alibaba's second stock price downtrend was during the late 2018 period where it lasted for around 7 months before the stock price rallied more than 100% from 2019 to 2020. Next, Alibaba stock's latest downtrend started from October 2020 to right now, which is May 2021. This latest downtrend has lasted more than 7 months, and I foresee it will continue in the short term because it has broken my support line.
No! No! No!
Do comment down below to share with me your views regarding my chart analysis. Charts aside, let's look into Alibaba Business. We have to remember that when we buy Alibaba stock, we are actually the business owner of Alibaba. We understand that Alibaba is a China company and most of its revenue is generated within China itself. Only 7% of its total revenue is derived outside of China. Therefore, China's booming economy is very crucial for the growth of Alibaba Business. Although China is the first few countries that are impacted by COVID-19, it is also the first few countries that got out of the pandemic situation. Many countries currently are still having major or even partial lockdown that lead to retrenchments and economic slowdown. But because China successfully overcame the pandemic situation, its GDP is still growing, and the growth rate in the first quarter of 2021 is one of the highest compared to the rest of the world. And this is also one of the reasons Alibaba's revenue continued to grow in the last 2 years despite being in the pandemic period. Personally, I feel that Alibaba stock is way undervalued right now. As of today, other than Alibaba stock, I am unable to find any businesses that is growing more than 30% per year consistently, yet the stock price is so undervalued. So, if you know of any business that has higher potential compared with Alibaba, do comment down below to share with us as well. I hope you benefit from this sharing. Do watch this video right now to discover how you can profit 99% of the time in the stock market. Yes, 99% winning rate. I will see you there.